The legal disclaimer ensures transparency about recipe sources and viewer responsibility. The nutty taste of black glutinous rice and azuki beans is popular throughout Southeast Asia. In this simple Vietnamese version, they are soaked and steamed, then sweetened with sugar and coconut cream, and given a slight crunch with peanuts. Serve as a snack or dessert. The striking deep purple-black grains dotted with ruby red beans, crowned with a drizzle of snowy coconut cream and a sprinkle of golden peanuts, make this one of the most visually arresting desserts in the Vietnamese repertoire, as satisfying to look at as it is to eat. Main ingredients: uncooked black glutinous rice, soaked in water overnight to soften, then drained, 1 cup. Dried red azuki beans, soaked in water overnight to soften, then drained, 1/4 cup. Superfine castor sugar, 1/4 cup. Coconut cream, 1/2 cup. Roasted unsalted peanuts, crushed, 2 tablespoons. Here are the written ingredient list. Preparation steps 1. Soak the rice and beans. Place the black glutinous rice in a large bowl and the dried red azuki beans in a separate bowl. Cover each with plenty of cold water and leave to soak overnight to soften. The black glutinous rice will absorb water and deepen to a rich purple black, while the azuki beans will swell and turn a vivid ruby red. After soaking, drain both thoroughly and set aside. Combine the rice and beans. Combine the drained glutinous rice and azuki beans in a bowl, and mix well so that the dark grains and red beans are evenly distributed throughout. Prepare the steamer. Line a bamboo steamer with a cheesecloth. This prevents the small grains from falling through the slats and makes turning easier later. Spread the rice and bean mixture evenly over the cloth in a layer of roughly uniform thickness so that everything cooks at the same rate. Have a pot of boiling water ready beneath the steamer. Cooking steps. 1. First steam. Place the bamboo steamer over the pot of vigorously boiling water. Cover with the steamer lid and steam the rice and bean mixture for 20 minutes. The steam plumps the grains and softens the beans. You will notice the rice turning glossier and darker as it cooks. Check the water level beneath the steamer periodically and top up with boiling water if needed so the pot does not boil dry. Turn and steam again. After the first 20 minutes, carefully lift the cheesecloth out of the steamer, use the corners of the cloth to protect your hands, and flick the entire sheet of rice and beans over so the bottom becomes the top. Return it to the steamer, cover, and steam for 10 more minutes on the other side until the rice is fully tender and the beans are cooked through but still hold their shape. Total steaming time is approximately 30 minutes. 3. Sweeten while hot. Remove the steamer from the heat. Transfer the hot rice and bean mixture to a large bowl. While it is still hot, add the 1/4 cup of superfine castor sugar and mix thoroughly until the sugar is dissolved and the grains are evenly coated. The residual heat is essential. It melts the sugar so it permeates every grain. If you wait for the mixture to cool, the sugar will not incorporate properly. 4. Assemble and serve. Divide the sweetened rice and bean mixture among individual serving bowls. Top each portion with 1 teaspoon of the crushed roasted peanuts and drizzle generously with coconut cream. The contrast of the deep purple-black rice, the ruby red beans, the white coconut cream, and the golden peanuts is part of the pleasure. Serve warm or at room temperature.